Understanding love scars in the English language. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore a rather poetic and emotional phrase in the English language: love scars. This phrase carries a deep meaning and is often used in songs, literature, and everyday conversation. Join me as we dive into the nuances and implications of this evocative term. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what love scars means but also be able to use it in the right context in your conversations. At first glance, love scars may seem like a simple combination of two words: love, a deep, complex emotion of strong affection, and scars, which are marks left on the skin after a wound has healed. But when these words come together, they create a metaphor that speaks to the emotional, not physical, aftermath of love. Love scars refer to the emotional wounds or lasting effects that can occur after going through challenging or painful experiences in love and relationships. Just as a physical scar reminds us of past injuries, a love scar is a metaphorical reminder of past emotional pain. To understand love scars better, let's look at some examples of how the phrase can be used. Even though they broke up years ago, the love scars from that relationship still affect her. His poetry often speaks of love scars, reflecting the pain he's endured in his quest for true affection. In music, an artist might sing about the love scars they've got from past relationships, symbolizing their emotional healing process. These examples show that love scars can be both a personal reflection and a universal concept that resonates with many people's experiences with love. The phrase, love scars, is significant in English because it represents a common human experience. Across cultures and languages, people understand the pain that comes from love's challenges. The phrase is also a great example of how English often uses physical terms to describe emotional states, showing the language's metaphorical richness. Furthermore, love scars often appear in artistic and creative contexts, allowing individuals to express their pain and healing process, thus serving as a therapeutic outlet or a means of connecting with others who have had similar experiences. Thank you for joining me on this journey to understand the meaning behind love scars. It's a phrase that encapsulates the duality of love, its ability to bring immense joy and, at times, deep pain. I hope this explanation helps you appreciate the emotional depth of the English language and feel more confident in using this phrase in your own expressive ways. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the emotional experiences we share. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.